Pending the issuance of a Supreme Court decision on Senator Ronald De La Rosa's status, the National Bureau of Investigation is keeping close tabs on the movement of former PNP Chief Senator Ronald De La Rosa, ensuring it doesn't split out of the country, as we hear more from our RR Tubise.
NBI Director Melvin Matibag called Senator Bato De La Rosa a fugitive from justice. Matibag said his men are already monitoring De La Rosa's whereabouts, but he refuses to disclose where the senator is.
Talagang may monitoring kami at hahanapin natin. It is there's a valid warrant of arrest. He is now considered fugitive from justice. So trabaho namin, just like any other personalities na mayroong mga mandato de arresto, yung warrant of arrest, we have to monitor.
De La Rosa escaped from the Senate in the wee hours of May 14 after a commotion and gunfire over an alleged attempt to serve and enforce an arrest warrant against him. But Matibag insists the NBI did not storm or attack the Senate. He said these agents were on standby in the GSIS wing of the building. Matibag also maintains the exchange of gunfire took place within the GSIS premises and not inside the Senate, based on the videos he repeatedly watched.
So, doon sa claim na stakes ba yan or attack, ganyan, sabi ko na kung siege man yan or anything, there's no siege. The Senate was never under attack. Ang nangyari ngayon, it's NBI who is now under attack.
He also said that the NBI had vowed not to enter the Senate and that they supposedly kept the commitment.
We are there to promote law and order. Not in the Senate, again, because I have a commitment that we will not enter the Senate premises.
He added that if anyone from the NBI committed a mistake, everyone else will be held accountable. But if his men acted properly, he said he would not abandon them.
If they found out that somebody from our ranks committed the mistake, I will not hesitate also to punish them.
Matibag also clarified his men had no intention of destroying or tearing down the Senate, contrary to the message sent to him by Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano.
Wala naman kaming balak tibagin yung Senado eh. It's an institution, enshrined in the Constitution, we respect it. Diba? Ang mahirap na, if you will put yourself in the center of everything and you feel that you're the center of everything, di ba? Hindi naman ganun yan. This is about justice. This is about law and order, di ba?
Matibag also denied the comment of De La Rosa's camp that the ICC warrant did not go through the proper channels.
That is their claim, but the records will reveal that if he will be arrested, we have complete documentation. There's a coordination with PCTC, which is the primary agency that is tasked to coordinate with the Interpol and with the ICC. And the PCTC coordinated with the Department of Justice.
He did not detail the next steps in the search for Bato, saying that this is part of law enforcement's internal procedure. He also clarified he awaits the decision of the Supreme Court on De La Rosa's case. RR Tubise from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.